Hello friends, once again you are most welcome in my YouTube channel Wired Loop Robotic and Automation. Today we are going to learn how to interface DHT11 sensor means temperature and humidity sensor with Raspberry Pi board by using Python programming. So let us get started step by step. You can see this is a schematic diagram. I am using one Raspberry Pi board and one 16x2 LCD with I2C module and one DHT11 sensor. Okay, so I have connected here SCL pin of LCD is connected to SCL pin of Raspberry Pi board and SDA pin is connected to SDA pin and VCC is connected to this is VCC pin. This is ground pin. It will be connected to ground and VCC pin will be here. Okay, now correct. So ground pin is connected to ground and VCC pin is connected to 5-volt output. Okay, in case of the HT11 sensor, this is signal pin. Signal pin is connected to 23rd GPIO, means GPIO 23, and middle pin is VCC. It is connected to 5-volt and third pin is minus, so it is connected to ground. Right, now we will see Raspberry Pi desktop. Here I will open Thony Python IDE and I will start programming here. Right, so first of all we have to install packages for DHT11 sensor. So I will go to tools and manage packages, DHT11, and here install this Adafruit DHT file. Click on install. It will take a little bit time. Okay, so library has been installed successfully. Now close. So I will start programming here. Okay, so first of all I will import Adafruit DHT library. Import Adafruit underscore DHT, right, and I will import LCD class from RPI GPIO I2C LCD module. Right, so from RPI underscore GPIO underscore I2C underscore LCD. Right, I will import LCD. Now I will import sleep class from time module. So from time I will import sleep. Right, so first of all I will create an object. This is sensor object. It is Adafruit DHT11 because of I am using DHT11 sensor. Now I will create another object, that is LCD dot HT44780 because of I am using 16x2 LCD which support this driver. Right, and here I will pass I2C address of LCD. Okay, so I2C address of LCD is 0x27. Right, and I have connected DHT sensor on 23rd number GPIO. Okay, so I will read here Adafruit DHT sensor. So I will store in humidity variable and temperature variable. Humidity will be stored in humidity variable and temperature will be stored in temperature variable. Temperature, right, Adafruit DHT dot read underscore retry. Okay, I will pass here sensor object and pin. Right, and now I will use while loop. It will be infinite, so it will be true I will print an LCD. So LCD dot set, I will print temp means temperature plus temperature. So it is int type, so I will convert into a string, so it is str. Okay, now I will print degree symbol. So for the degree symbol, it is 223. This is ASCII code of degree symbol. I will print as a char, chr. Okay, and now I will print Celsius, right? And it will print on first line of LCD. Now it is correct. Now I will print humidity. So LCD dot set humidity correct plus I will print here percentage, right? And it will print on second number line of LCD, correct. Now I will print temperature and humidity on cell window. So print temperature. I will copy this. Okay, again plus degree Celsius, right? And now I will print here humidity percentage, right? And I will copy this. Okay, I will use here delay 1 second, sleep for the 1 second. Okay, so now program is ready. One thing, if you have not installed this library RPI, GPIO, I2C, LCD, so you can install from here. Go to tools and manage packages, and here type I2C LCD, and this is I have already installed, so there is not showing any install option, you can see here. Okay, so I will close this. If you have not installed, so you should install that library. And one thing, I have already explained how to interface I2C LCD with Raspberry Pi board in previous video. So click on I button and you can watch that video, right? So before running this code, once we will see hardware. Okay, this is Raspberry Pi board. Here I am using GPIO extender. This is connected with breadboard. I am using this LCD with I2C module. This is connected to SCL, STA and VCC and ground pin, and this is DHT11 sensor. It is connected on 23 number GPIO and ground and 5 volt VCC, right? So I hope you understood this. I will run this program. Click on run button. Sorry, I will save this code. DHT11 underscore LCD dot pi. Okay, there is problem, has no attribute. It is not 9 here, it is 0, right? And again run. Wow, you can see it is printing, but it is not printing in second line. I don't know why. Okay, we no need here comma. And again run. Again, what is problem? Here it is plus sign. Now run. Wow, You can see this is printing. Temperature and humidity. Temperature is 29 degrees Celsius and humidity is 95%. So friends, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you really like this video, so you can support me on PayPal. My PayPal account has given in description box, and if you have any doubt, so let me know in comment box. And please do like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching.